Hi all, in this video I want to show you how our aperiodic shader can break up the repeat tiling on your textures. Okay, so I have a quad in this scene and I've just named it pipe, and what we'll do is we'll create a material. And we'll call it aperiodic pipe, and we will assign it to the pipe, and we will change it to a Aperiodic transparent, and we'll apply the AP pipe. Okay, so let's go into game mode and we'll scale the tiling so it's a 4x4. Now as you can see, you automatically see the repeat pattern there. It's 4 that way and 4 this way. However, as soon as you click the aperiodic, it all gets mixed up and that repeat pattern is now disappeared. Okay, so if you you can just move the offsets and you can see there is hardly a repeat. It's all random. And go in the V as well. This scene here, and it is using a few aperiodic textures. You can see the repeat pattern on this brick. You can see again it's a 4x4, so if we click the aperiodic on there, that brick wall is now randomized up. The same on this gravel, although you probably won't notice it so much. Let me go into the scene file. So we click that and that will change. I also have it on this dry grass, a sort of mixture of dry grass, and you can see the repeat pattern going this way. As soon as you click the aperiodic, it breaks it up and it's now missing, it's now gone. And the same for this camo netting. So the repeat pattern is disappeared now. Okay, so how does an aperiodic texture work and how can you build one yourself? Well, it basically splits the original texture up into quadrants and then uses a numerical randomness to place those quadrants against each other randomly to break the texture up. Let me explain. So here's a texture, and what it will do is it will split it in a 4x4 grid. So you're going to get 16 tiles all together. Now they are, imagine the numbered sequences. So you have zeros on the edges. That has to tile against the other zeros with that same edge. And the same with the tops. The zeros on the tops would have to tile with the zeros against it. And the same with the ones. So let me explain how I've done one of the pipe textures. So the zero sides, as you can see, they just need to tile against each other, and they are all the zero sides that will tile within each other. Then you have the zeros tops, and what I've done is I've done it as a 30 degrees angle so that they match on the zero top edge. Against the ones, I've put two sort of pipes, one coming at an angle and one straight, and again for the top ones that's what they will look like, and then for the ones on the side is just a single one against the ones on the side. So if you put all four together, that's what you start off with, and then what you do, each quadrant, then you can join the pipes however you want, and if you can make them as different as possible, then you'll have 16 individual squares that will randomly place against each other. So if a zero is here, it will move. It can either pick this zero, this one, this one, this one, this one, and you just randomly place them. And what I do then is I just fill them all in differently, so you can see each quadrant is different. And then when you place them all together, when it randomly places them all together, you don't get that repeated pattern. As you can see, that whole edge there, that whole edge will actually match this bottom edge, and again with the left side edge here would actually match this whole right side here. So it can repeat also as a normal tiling texture. So I hope that helps. If you found this useful, please hit like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video.